Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is a financial education classic that contrasts the money mindset and practices of two father figures in the author's life, his biological father, Poor Dad, and the father of his childhood best friend, Rich Dad. The book challenges conventional beliefs about money, emphasizing the importance of financial education, investing in assets, and understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. It encourages readers to break free from the cycle of working for money and instead strive to make money work for them, ultimately aiming for financial independence. Now, let's dive into the insights encapsulated in the 10 quotes from Rich Dad Poor Dad. There is a difference between being poor and being broke. Broke is temporarily poor is eternal. This quote highlights the distinction between a temporary lack of funds, being broke, and a perpetual state of financial struggle, being poor. It underscores the importance of financial education in avoiding long-term poverty. People's lives are forever controlled by two emotions, fear and greed. Kiyosaki suggests that fear and greed are the primary drivers of people's financial decisions. Understanding and managing these emotions is crucial for making sound financial choices. So many people say, "Oh, I am not interested in money," yet they will work at a job for 8 hours. This quote challenges the contradiction between claiming disinterest in money while spending the majority of one's waking hours earning it. It urges individuals to be honest about their financial aspirations. Rich people acquire assets, the poor and middle class acquire liabilities that they think are assets. Kiyosaki emphasizes the critical difference between assets which generate income and liabilities which incur expenses. Building a portfolio of income generating assets is a key path to wealth. An asset puts money in my pocket. A liability takes money out of my pocket. This quote reinforces the importance of distinguishing between assets and liabilities. An asset should contribute positively to your cash flow, while a liability negatively impacts it. Cash flow tells the story of how a person handles money. Cash flow, the movement of money in and out of your life, reveals your financial habits and management skills. Understanding and improving your cash flow is vital for financial success. A person can be highly educated, professionally successful, and financially illiterate. Educational achievements and professional success do not guarantee financial literacy. This quote underscores the importance of financial education as a distinct and crucial skill set. My rich dad did not see Robin Hood as a hero, he called Robin Hood a crook. Rich Dad's perspective challenges the conventional view of Robin Hood as a heroic figure who takes from the rich to give to the poor. Instead, he saw this as a form of wealth redistribution without addressing the root causes of financial struggle. The poor and the middle class work for money, the rich have money work for them. This is my best quote from the book, as this quote encapsulates the central theme of the book, the importance of transitioning from being an employee who works for a paycheck to becoming an investor who makes money work for you. The moment you make passive income and portfolio income a part of your life will change. This final quote encourages readers to seek passive and portfolio income sources, such as investments, to transform their financial situations. It highlights the power of financial independence and the potential for life-changing results when money works for you. In conclusion, Rich Dad Poor Dad offers profound insights into financial education and challenges conventional beliefs about money. These quotes serve as valuable reminders of the book's core principles, guiding readers toward financial independence and a more secure financial future.